Stomach 41 is located at the front of your ankle. To locate stomach 41, find the tips of your ankle bones. One's over here and the other, of course, is right over here. Then find the point that is midway between the two, right about here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is stomach 41. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate stomach 41 on your other ankle.